Did you know you can make coffee when the power is out? Imagine enjoying your favorite brew in a blackout. Whether it's a winter storm or a summer hurricane, being in North Carolina, we experienced both, and I can tell you, I can deal without power, but I cannot deal without coffee. So this is a video that's going to show you how that you can cook if you don't have any electricity, if you don't have any gas or propane. This is how you can cook with simply using the power of a candle. To demonstrate the candle, I'm going to show you how we can do it with the tiniest candles of all, tea lights. I've just stuck this in a skillet and found a little rack to set them on top of. You can use whatever you got. You can use rocks if you're camping. But we're going to pour some water into a pot. And we're simply going to make sure we put a lid on it. And we're going to set it over this candles. And we're going to let this come to a steaming boil. And that's all it's going to take. We're going to put some coffee right into it. Now, this technically we're making Cowboy coffee here, right? The grinds do not go in the filter, but they go in the coffee itself, in the hot water. Now, coffee like this is going to be really gritty in grains, right? Nope, that's what we're going to use this filter for. This is what you call Cowboy coffee, right? This is how they used to do it out in the plains, out in West Texas. And the coffee itself's now got to brew for about 2 minutes. So put the lid back on for about just a couple of minutes to let it brew inside there, kind of like it would in a percolator. And that's it. So the coffee is ready to go. I'm simply going to put a paper coffee filter into a funnel and pour it over this filter. Now, we could actually put some cold water in here right quick, just a small amount, and it would make those grinds settle down to the bottom. But I have a coffee filter, like most people do, and a funnel, and I'm going to put it right back into the cup that I poured the water from. So really all I needed was 4 tea light candles and the coffee, and you can see the grinds, most of them right there in the bottom. And that's it, folks. We have now made our day. Even though we don't have any power, we don't have any electricity, we can start our day off with that caffeine fix that we all got to have in the morning. That's kind of like just like a slow drip coffee that you would make even if you did have power. But look how dark and rich and beautiful that coffee is. I can't wait to enjoy this, and I hope this helps you. I hope you can watch this video in preparation for any winter storm or hurricane we might have, wherever you might be. But this is a simple way to make coffee. And you could even heat up soup this way, right? You could heat up something, whatever we want to put in that pot, we could actually cook on those candles.